Hello students, today's class we are going to continue exercise 4.4 question number 2. Construct the quadrilateral true. They are given 3 sides and 2 angles. These 2 angles we are going to construct using compasses only. Before that, draw the rough figure of the quadrilateral true and write all the measures. First step we are going to draw a line RU because it is having 2 angles. So RU we are taking as baseline segment. Draw RU for 3.5 centimeter radius. First question also you can try like that, like this only. Okay. At R, construct 75 degree. For that, using compass any convenient radius, draw and lengthy arc. Yes, from the intersecting point as center, same measure, cut that lengthy arc, and again from that intersecting point again one more arc. The 2 arcs as center, draw 2 arcs, you will get 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So draw a line. Understand? First step what I did, first RU, because why I have taken RU having 2 angles, base angles, 2 angles, so I have taken RU as a baseline segment. At R, constructing 75 degree using compass only. So any convenient radius, adjust the compass and draw a lengthy arc. That arc should cut RU line segment at one point. That point as center, draw one small arc on the lengthy arc. Again you are getting one more intersecting point. That point as center, with same measures, draw another one arc. You will get 2 intersecting points on the lengthy arc. Okay, using that 2 intersecting points, draw another 2 arcs and draw dotted lines. You will get 90 degree. To construct 75 degree, we need to bisect the angles between 60 and 90. See, in this construction, that is first intersecting point is 60 and the dotted line represent 90. This gap we should bisect. We'll get 75 degree. For that, the center is first intersecting point and another center, the dotted line. That 90 degree dotted line, yes, that cutting the lengthy arc, no. The 2 points as center, draw 2 arcs. Using the scale, draw a dark line. It is our required angle, 75 degree. Next, we need to draw TR 3.5 centimeter. Adjust the compass. R as center, cut the 75 degree ray. Where it cut that ray, there you give the name T. Now we got TR line segment, another one side of quadrilateral. Next, at U, we are going to construct 120 degree. So any convenient radius, U as center, draw a lengthy arc. Yes, that arc should again intersect that RU line segment. That points as center with same measures. Draw one arc, that is 60 degree. Another one arc, that is another 60. 60 plus 60, 120 degree. Using the scale, draw a dark line only because it is our required angle, 120 degree. Now we have completed 3 measures. Remaining 4 measures we have completed, right? EU is remaining, that is 4 centimeter. U as center, 4 centimeter radius, cut that 120 degree array. Where it cut, there you give the name E. 4 centimeter, right? All measures. Now TE, it has no measures, just using the scale, you join TE. Now we got our required quadrilateral true. Got it. Today itself you practice this question. Copy down. Next exercise 4.5. Construct the square reed with RE 5.1 centimeter. Draw a square or a figure and name it READ. We know that in square all sides are equal, is it? So each side measure is 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter. Now we have only 4 elements. But we know that to construct a quadrilateral, we need 5 elements. We should use the angle property, right? In square, each angle measure is 90 degrees. Draw a baseline segment RE for 5.1 centimeter. The video is not clear, so I'm using the pen, but drawing line and all use pencil only. Okay. Yes. Now at R I'm constructing 90 degree. You can construct at E also, no problem. Okay. Yes. Any convenient radius. Draw lengthy arc using the same measure. Okay. Don't follow the compass. Same measure from the intersecting point. Draw an arc that is 60 degree. That intersecting point as center, draw another one arc that is again one more 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 120, 90 degrees lies between 60 and 120. No, so we should draw two arcs using the two intersecting points. You will get 90 degree. It is our required angle. Using the scale, from the point R, draw a ray. You can construct at E also 90 degree, but it is not necessary. Okay, no need of constructing again one more 90 degree. We are having all four sides and one angle enough, 5 elements enough. If you want, you construct, otherwise just you draw an arc for 5.1 centimeter from E. Just I am showing how to construct 90 degree two times at R and E. Now again with the compass, adjust the compass into 5.1 centimeter. E as center, R and E both sides. Okay, 5.1 centimeter. You will get the position of D and A. Yeah, if you join DA, you will get the required quadrilateral, that is square reed. Yeah, very simple, no? Yes. Copy down. Second question as homework. Rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter long. Here we are given two diagonals. Already we did in the exercise 4.2. That is third sub question. Rhombus bend. BN and DE are diagonals. Okay. Watch this video again and same method you follow for this question. Okay, 4.5 second question. Next question 3 also you can do homework. A rectangle with the adjacent sides of lengths 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. I am giving a rough figure. Using that you can construct the original figure. Opposite sides are equal, no, in rectangle. And we know that here in rectangle also each angle measure is 90 degree. You can construct two right angle or one right angle. You will get a required rectangle. Okay, do this as homework. This question 4. A parallelogram OK, where OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? Unique means not same kind, different. They are asking, is it unique? Yes, it is unique only because in like this we have one question in exercise 4.1 or 2, I think 4.2 only. Okay, rectangle they are given. In rectangle, if they are given any two sides measures, we can use the property opposite sides are equal and each angle measure is 90 degree. We will get 5 elements. But in parallelogram, if they are given any two adjacent sides, we can use side property. Here in parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. But in parallelogram, each angle measure is not 90 degree. We cannot construct 90 degree, isn't it? So it is different only, no? So then how to construct using the four elements? We cannot construct using four elements. For that, we are going to use the adjacent angle property of parallelogram. But we know that adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, angle O plus angle K is equal to 180 degree. That 180 degree, according to our convenient, split as two angles. That is, angle O 60 degree and angle R 120 degree. This angle O equal to 60 degree and angle K is equal to 120 degree. Together it is 180 degree. This is one more property of parallelogram. In parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Yeah, very simple now. What I am doing, draw a line segment, base line segment, okay, for 5.5 centimeter at O and K. We are going to construct two angles using compass only. Listen carefully. Any convenient radius, O as center, draw length arc. Yes, from that intersecting points, draw one arc. It is 60 degree. Using the scale through that point from O, draw a ray. Next step, at K, any convenient radius. Again draw length arc, intersecting, yes, into from the intersecting first arc, that is 60 degree. From that 60 degree arc, draw another one 60 degree, you will get 120. Second intersecting point, through that from K, draw another one ray, that is 120 degree. For 120 degree, and write two angle measures. You can check using the, after constructing, you can check using the protractor. Now the remaining three sides, OY 4.2, adjust the compass. 4.2, adjust the compass. O as center, cut the 60 degree line. Same measure KA also. So K as center, cut the 120 degree ray. It will show Y place and position of Y and A. Just you join Y A. No need of taking any measures. But you can check whether it is 5.5 centimeter or not. You can check. If you do correctly, you will get correct measure 5.5 centimeter. Got it? This is the method of constructing parallelogram if they are given any two sides. Yes, practice all these problems. If you have any doubt, you can call and ask. Thank you.